Disclaimer: steam inhalation should only be performed under the supervision of an adult. Always use caution when handling boiling water to avoid burns. Do not perform steam inhalation if you have been diagnosed with heart failure or any other conditions that makes it unsafe. Consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Steam inhalation is a simple and effective way to soothe and open your nasal passages, especially when you have a cold or sinus infection. The warm, moist air can help loosen mucus and relieve symptoms. To get started, boil some water and carefully pour it into a bowl. Let the water sit for a minute to avoid scalding steam. Sit comfortably, place a towel over your head and the bowl, and breathe normally through your nose and mouth for about 10 to 15 minutes. Many people find this method soothing and effective in loosening mucus and relieving symptoms. For enhanced relief, you can add a menthol product of your choice, such as Vicks, Olbas oil, or menthol crystals. Remember to handle boiling water with care to avoid scalds. Steaming is not recommended for people with heart failure. Perform daily steam inhalation for 7 to 10 days for best results. For more health tips, visit Ears Clinics. Take care of your health and stay well.